Hi guys, it's Becca with Samuraimama. Welcome back. We've got some beautiful, gorgeous weather today. As you can tell, I'm in tank top and shorts, which means it's at least 70 degrees outside, or at least it feels that way. But anyway, it's time to get in the kitchen and start my next project, which is Takuan. And Takuan is a Japanese pickled radish made from Daikon. You might see this radish in your stores. It's large, it's white, cylinder shaped, and you might be wondering, what is that and what do I do with it? Well, let me show you what we do with it. If you are a Hawaii person living mainland and you miss your Takuan, this is for you too, because as you know, we cannot just go Foodland and go buy our Takuan and Sukimono. We got to make it ourselves. So thankfully, this is a dish that's easy to make and is readily available in my grocery stores. I don't have to order anything special. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start by preparing the takuan by first peeling it. Once they're all peeled and rinsed, go ahead and slice them up. Throw them all into a mixing bowl. And then we're going to add a couple of tablespoons of Hawaiian salt. Make sure you kind of mix them up well. And what we're going to do from here is let it sit for a couple of hours and sweat. We want it to draw out some of the water. So again, make sure you've got a good coating of salt. Hawaiian salt or coarse salt or pickling salt, even Himalayan salt will do. As that's sitting, let's prepare the sauce. I'm using 12 ounces of rice vinegar. You don't absolutely have to have rice vinegar. You can use plain white vinegar or even apple cider vinegar. And then add 24 ounces of sugar. As you can see, I had my little helper with me today. And we're going to add about a tablespoon of salt, and since I had my Hawaiian salt out, that's what I used. And for the coloring, typically it's yellow. You can use yellow food dye, but I added in 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder. Heat on the stove until the sugar is mixed well. And now that this has sat for a couple of hours, you can see how much water has sweat out from the daikon. We're going to rinse that out, give it a quick rinse in the sink, and drain the extra water. Start adding it to your glass jars. Pour the mixture that has been cooled, mixed well and cooled, into your jars. You want to make sure that you have enough liquid to cover most of it. Now I'm going to add some Thai chili peppers to the little jar just because I like a little bit of heat. Now if my Hawaiian chili pepper plant had peppers, I would prefer to use those, but these are the next best thing. Close up your jars, seal them well. Mix it up in there, make sure that all the juices cover all the takuan in there. Go ahead and put these jars in the refrigerator, store them there, and it's ready to eat in a couple days. Okay guys, so that's it. That's Takuan. In a couple of days, it's going to be ready to eat. It'll be a nice yellow color. It's visually appealing on your plate. And yeah, it's just going to be delicious. You can think of it as how you would enjoy any kind of pickle that's on the sweeter side. You can use it as a relish. You can use it in your sandwiches, as a side dish to your rice dishes. It's very versatile, and it's good to just keep in your refrigerator. It does last long because it is pickled, so the shelf life in your refrigerator is like a pickle. It's preserved in a way. So anyway, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, a share, a subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And I hope you guys are doing well out there. Get some vitamin D if you can, and I'll see you guys again next time. So thanks for watching. Bye.